Established in 2016, Brainware University, Kolkata has received an overall rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. With 9 schools offering UG programs, our focus will be on BCA courses offered by the School of Computational and Applied Sciences. Let's find out more in this college review, starting with BCA placements rated 4.7. For the 2024 campus placement drive, over 145 companies visited the campus, resulting in more than 702 students being placed. Notably, the institute boasts of over 500 recruiters from across India, including prominent names like Nestle, DA Milano, TCS, Swiggy, and McAfee, among others. For BCA graduates specifically, recruiters include Capgemini, Wipro, L&T, Cognizant, Amazon, Tech Mahindra, and others. The highest package offered was 36 lakh per annum. Top roles include software engineers, operations managers, management consultants, business development executives, to name a few. The placement cell supports students with boot camps, mock interviews, and pre-placement preparation. According to the NIRF 2022-23 report, 177 out of the 466 graduating students were placed, with over 11% pursuing further studies. However, there has been a slight decline in placement rates compared to 2021, but still lower compared to the Neotia University's median salary of 3.6 lakh per annum. Internship opportunities are available with companies like TCS, Wipro, Amazon, and Tech Mahindra. The BCA program spans 3 years with an option of a 4-year honors program specializing in mobile application and web technologies. For admission, students need a minimum of 55% in 10+2 for general BCA and 60% for the specialized courses, along with passing the Brainware entrance test. The total tuition fees ranges from 3.69 to 4.97 lakhs, depending on the specialization. Hostel fees vary depending upon the room occupancy type, from 3.7 to 5.5 lakhs. Scholarships are available on the basis of merit, national and state schemes, and reserved categories. Now let's take a look at the infrastructure with a rating of 4.7 stars. Brainware University's campus spans across 9 acres and is well connected, located just 2 kilometers from the railway station and bus depot, and about an hour drive from the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. The Wi-Fi enabled campus features seminar and lecture halls, an auditorium, a well-stocked central library, departmental libraries, a counseling room, a food court, and common rooms. The labs include digital logic, programming in C, Intel Server, data structure and algorithm, and Python's lab, all equipped with advanced instruments. Hostel accommodations offer 2 sharing and single rooms for girls and 4 sharing rooms for all the students. The hostel offers 5 meals daily, which students appreciate, along with amenities such as a multi-sport arena, indoor games, a gym, a yoga room, a doctor's chamber, a legal aid clinic, an ATM, and enhanced security. Moving on to faculty and course that has been rated 4.7 stars. The faculty at Brainware University are highly qualified, many holding PhDs with extensive research expertise. Students appreciate their teaching quality and helpfulness. A minimum of 75% attendance is required to take exams with a passing grade of 40%. The curriculum includes regular workshops, conferences, training programs, and bridge courses for students from non-science backgrounds. The university has partnerships with organizations such as Crypto University, Oracle India Private Limited, Srinivas University, NASSCOM, and the Romanian American University, among others, offering students extensive research opportunities, including patents and support for business incubation. Moving on to the vibrant campus life, which has received a rating of 4.8 stars. Students can engage in various socio-cultural activities through 4 student-run clubs. The campus hosts cultural programs, an annual fest, alumni meets, sports events, and community outreach activities. Brainware University is currently unranked as per the NIRF 2024 report. For more details on Brainware University, Kolkata, and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.